Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to use Claude Cowork. Okay, first thing that you should do is to simply search for Claude Cowork, then click on Try Cloudy on the top right side. And here you can see that you have this chat. You can type anything that you actually need and you can ask it to do different tasks. And I'll tell you at the end of the video what tasks can it done by Claude Cowork. So here you have the different models. You can choose between them. Here you have more models, but you should upgrade in order to get these models on the bottom right here. When you click on upgrade, it will show you exactly the plans that they have. Now here as you can see, I have typed my prompt and now it will show me the code on the right side. I have asked it to make me an app that teaches French just like Duolingo. The app will be released on App Store and Play Store. It shouldn't exceed 1 gigabyte in size and it should have different types of questions like MCQs, written questions, flashcards, voice and listening exercises, in addition to exercises for pronunciation. And the levels of French it teaches is from A1 to B1. Now it will start typing the code. And while it types the code, let me show you and let me tell you some other tasks that you can use Cloudy Cowork in order to make it. And now here are 10 practical tasks Cloudy Cowork can handle effectively. Number 1, write and edit documents, create blog posts, reports, emails, proposals, or rewrite text to be clearer or more professional. Number 2, code assistance, generate code, debug errors, refactor projects, and explain programming concepts step by step. Number 3, research and summaries, analyze long articles or PDFs and turn them into short, easy to understand summaries. Number 4, project brainstorming, help generate ideas for businesses, YouTube videos, marketing campaigns, or product names. Task automation plans, suggest workflows to automate repetitive work like email replies or data organization. Number 6, content creation, produce scripts, social media captions, product description, and SEO friendly articles. Number 7, data analysis help, interpret spreadsheets, explain trends, and help draft insights from raw data. Number 8, learning support. Teach new topics, create study plans, quizzes, or explain difficult concepts simply. Number 9, translation and localization. Translate text between languages and adapt tone for different audiences. Number 10, and finally, meeting and notes assistant. Turn meeting notes into structured action items, agendas, or follow-up emails. And now we have finished making the application. Now you can go here to preview the code, or you can go here to preview the application itself. And now here as you can see, it gives me some lessons for A1, some lessons for A2, and some lessons for B1. Now you can do upgrade or enhance for the code by simply highlighting it like so, then click on explain or improve. And the good thing is that you can copy the code, you can publish the application, or you can simply download the code as TSX. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.